In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Notion. We'll use Zapier to automatically turn incoming messages into organized pages or database items in your Notion workspace, so you can stop copying and pasting and keep everything searchable in one place. Start by heading to the Zapier Gmail and Notion integration page. You can get there by visiting Zapier and searching for Gmail plus Notion, or by opening the pre-built integration page that lists common templates. This page gives you a quick view of what's possible and opens the editor where we'll wire things together. When the editor opens, sign in to both Gmail and Notion. Zapier will prompt you to grant secure access to each account. For Gmail, approve the standard read permissions so Zapier can watch for messages that meet your criteria. For Notion, choose the correct workspace and allow access. If you plan to send items to a specific Notion database, make sure that database is shared with the Zapier integration inside Notion so it appears as a destination. Now choose your Gmail trigger. You'll see options like New Email, Start Email, or Labeled Email. Pick the one that matches your workflow. New Email is great for capturing everything that hits your inbox, while Start Email lets you manually flag only the messages you care about. Labeled Email is perfect if you already sort mail with a label. After selecting the trigger, refine it with options such as mailbox, label selection, or a search filter to narrow by sender, subject keywords, or attachments. For the action, select Create Notion Page or Create Database Item. Then choose the exact Notion database you want to populate. Map your Gmail fields to Notion properties in a way that will be useful later. Subject to the title field, from to a text property, date to a date property, and the email body to a rich text or notes property. You can also include the Gmail message link for quick access back to the original email. Use clear naming so entries are easy to scan. Finally, turn on the automation. Give your Zap a descriptive name and flip the switch to enable it. Send yourself a test email that meets your trigger, then check Notion to confirm a new page appears with the right details. If something looks off, return to the editor to adjust your mappings or filters. Once it's on, Zapier will run in the background and keep Gmail and Notion in sync automatically.